All right, let's actually find the LCM of those three numbers. Well, and do that as quick as you can. So 90 is, I'm going to go slow, but you'd actually want to not show as many steps as I'm showing. 90 is 9 times 10. So not 9 times 10, that's 3 squared times 10, which is 2 times 5. All right, 196. Nothing jumps out at me except for 2. 2 times 98. I can see, I kind of divide that into my head. 2 we're going to 19. 9 times 9 times 2 is 18. That leaves you 16. That's how I got the 8. Of course, I go further. Now I know that 2, and I know 98 is 49 times 2. And that's 7 squared times 2. So that's actually a 2 squared times a 7 squared. And then what's the last one? 300. That's not too bad. 300 is 3 times 100. And 100 is 10 times 10. And 10 is 5 times 2. So that's 3 times a 2 squared, because you got 2 2's in each one, and then 5 squared. So I want to look at this, and this, and this. And the way you find your LCM, you list all your factors. I see 2's, 3's, 5's, and 7's. And you're going to put exponents on each one of these. And the exponent will be the most that factor shows up in any one case. How many 2's do you see here? I only see 1. How many 2's here? I see 2. How many 2's down here? 2. What was the biggest number you said? 2. Do the same thing for 3. How many 3's do you see here? 2. 3's here? None. 3's here? 1. So the most you said was 2. And then you can repeat that for 5, and you'll get a 2. You repeat that for 7, and you get a 2. So that's the LCM. Now look at your answers. The first one's 600. 600 is 6 times 100, which is 10 times 10. And 6 is 2 times 3, and 10 is 5 and 2. So once again, you've got a 2 squared and a 5 squared, and this one cannot be a factor. Is that how it works? It can't be a factor because you've got 3 2's and a 3 and a 5 squared. So it cannot be a factor of them. For example, let me show you. My M is 2 squared times 3 squared times 5 squared times 7 squared. And if I divide that by this 600 in the factored form, I get 2 cubed of 3, a 2 cubed of 3, and a 5 squared. Well, if something's a factor, something else, it has to go into it evenly. Well, here, these would cancel. One of the 3's would cancel, but you could cancel 2 of the 2's, but you still got 1 left over, so it's not a factor. So the answer is A.